Hello everyone, I hope you're fine and in good health. Today we will be studying another Excel's functions. And don't forget to always follow model websites. Let's start with rank functions. Rank function return the rank of number in a list of numbers, which means it return the position of a number in the list of number and sorting these positions either ascending or descending depending on what you write in the order of the rank functions. These functions, the format of these functions contain three arguments: number, reference, and order. Number, which means the number of which you want to find the rank. A reference, it is an array or a reference to a list of numbers. The order, it is a number, either 0 or 1. 0 if you want to sort the positions or the rank descending, you can write 0. If you write 1, you sort ascending. Now let's take another function which is called Daverage functions, which means database average functions. Database average function return the average of values in a list or database depending on a condition that you are specify it. The format of Daverage functions contain three arguments, which is database and field and criteria. Database is a list of related database. Field is either, you can write in the field either the field of the column, or you can write the number that represent the column's position in the list. Criteria, it is your condition, which must be written below the column labels. The columns labels of your list, you must copy the columns label of your list, and then below the columns label of your list you can write your conditions. Now we have three functions: Dmax, Dmin, and Dsum. These functions, D it means database max, and database min and database sum, which is used to find Dmax, which is used to return the maximum or the largest number in the field. Depend on a condition you specify it. Dmin, it is also used to find the minimum value in the field, depending in the field in your database, depending on the condition that you are specify it. Also, Dsum it is used to add the number in the field depending in your database, depending on a condition that you are specify it. All these functions contain the same argument, which is database, field, and criteria. Let's go to Excel and take an example for each functions. Now we have this database, and here I want to find the rank of the cells. Now click here to find the rank, equal signs, write rank, open parentheses, number, which number you want to find the rank. I want to find the rank of this number, comma, reference. Reference, it means the array of our list here. So I select my array here. order, either ascending or descending. So I write 0, which is mean descending. Enter. Okay, here's 5. I want to find the rank of all the cells in my database. So I put the mouse to the bottom right of the cells and drag. Now you can see here there is a mistake. There is an error here. Why? Because there are many numbers will be that are repeated. So in order to check the error, click here and press Ctrl plus letter Dal in Arabic, which is below the escape button in the keyboard, in order to see the error. Now I want to check the first cell. Here is our cells, and I want to find the rank of these cells. Yes, this cells, it is E8, which is true. I want to check the cells from this array, all this array, and comma 0, descending. It is true. Now go to another one. It is E9, which is true, but here the range will be changed. Also will be changed to E9 to E15. Here also the range will be changed, so which is wrong. Now I want to fix my range. In order to fix my range, click here and then select the range and press F4. Okay, which is true. Now drag to the all functions. You can see here the name of the cell will be changed relative here. E8, E9, E10, E11, 12, 13, 14, which is true. And our range here, starting from the beginning, E8 to E14, starting the other cells will be starting also from the beginning, from E8 to E14, which is true. So this is cell we call relative because it is changing from E8 to E14, and this our range will be absolute. We fix it in order to find our our rank. So return back, press letter Dal. Now you can see here the rank of each cells will be true here, and it is descending, starting from the beginning and ending with the starting from the large number, ending with the smallest number. This is an example to find how to find the rank. Now let's go to find Dmax, Dsum, and Daverage. We have our database here, and I have many questions here depending on my database. First question, I want to find the average sales of Ali. I want to find the average sales of Ali. So, first of all, we must copy our label of our database. Copy the label of our list. Copy, and then put it, for example, here. Paste. And then below this label, I can write my condition. My condition here, I want to find the average sales of Ali, of whom my condition here is Ali. This is our salespersons, so I write here Ali. And then I want to write the function here. Equal sign, I want to find the average. The average. First argument is our database. Here is my database. select my database, comma. Which field you want to find? I want to find the cells. What is the criteria? This is my criteria. This is my condition. Select all the cells here and then enter. So this is the average sales of Ali. Now, if I want to find the maximum sales of Neda before 2080, here is my condition. My condition is salespersons is Neda. We have two conditions here, Neda and before 2080. So we must write here Neda, and our date, it must be less than 2080. 2018. So we write here our condition. Now, if you want to write the functions, first of all, equal sign Dmax, open parentheses, this is my database, comma, this is my field. I can write here either D2 or the position of this field, it is number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can write here either 4 or D2, comma. This is my condition. This is criteria. And enter. So you can see here the maximum sales of Neda before 2080. Now, I want to find, now delete here, you can see here the solution for each options. Now, I want to find here the sum sales of Ali. It's very easy because I want to find only the sum sales of Ali. So my condition is only Ali. Okay, click here. Now, equal sign Dsum, open parentheses, this is my database. I can use name my database instead of select the database. So I can select my database here and name my database and write here, oh, sorry, I must have done it. Escape, delete. I want to name my database, so I must select the database and name it, for example, my data. Okay, enter. Oh. My data. You can name it my data, and you can use my data instead of select the database. Okay.